Now, just quickly, in the previous video, we found that the Fourier series of f(x) is equal to 1 over 2 pi times the defined integral from minus pi to pi of f of x dx plus the defined integral from plus the summation from n equals 1 to infinity of the defined integral from 1 over pi times the defined integral from minus pi to pi of f of x cosine of nx dx, and then cosine nx plus and times a sub n, so a sub n plus b sorry, not a sorry, here I have 1 over 5, sorry, plus 1 over pi times the defined integral from minus pi to pi of f of x sine nx dx, and then times sine nx. So now, remember, if we have wherever we have, let's say, the integral from minus pi to pi of 1 dx, this we can put it as 2 times the defined integral from 0 to pi of 1, and it would be exactly the same thing. So let's change this. We would have then that f of x is equal to 1 over 2 pi times the defined, times this, I will put it as then times 2 times the defined integral from minus pi, from 0 to pi of f of x dx plus the summation from n equals 1 to infinity of 1 over pi times this would be 2 times the defined integral from 0 to pi of f of x cosine of nx dx cosine of nx plus 1 over pi times 2 times the defined integral from 0 to pi of f of x sine nx dx sine nx. Alright, so I can put it as f of x is equal to 1 over pi times the defined integral from 0 to pi of f of x dx. So this is c naught. C naught is 1 over pi times the defined integral from 0 to pi of f of x dx. Then I have plus the summation from n equals 1 to infinity of a sub n. Now a sub n would be 2 over pi times the defined integral from 0 to pi of f of x cosine of nx dx. So here I will have 2 pi times the summation from times the defined integral from 0 to pi of f of x cosine of nx cosine dx, and then cosine of nx. I will have that v sub n would be 2 over pi times the defined integral from 0 to pi of f of x sine nx dx. So here plus 2 over pi times the defined integral from 0 to pi of f of x sine nx times dx times sine nx. So this is also the Fourier series for a function with period 2 pi, and these are the coefficients, the constant,